Hello everyone. So today we will learn the brainstem. Now the brainstem is the part of brain formed by medulla oblongata, pons and midbrain. Brainstem contains ascending and descending tracts between brain and spinal cord. It also contains many centers for regulation of vital functions in the body. First of all, we will consider the medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata or medulla is the lowermost part of the brain. It is situated below pons and is continued downwards as spinal cord. Medulla forms the main pathway for ascending and descending tracts of the spinal cord. It also has many important centers which controls the vital functions. Respiratory centers. Dorsal and ventral group of neurons form the medullary respiratory centers, which maintain normal rhythmic respiration. Now, the vasomotor center. Vasomotor center controls blood pressure and heart rate. Now, deglutition center regulates the pharyngeal and esophageal stages of deglutition. Vomiting center induces vomiting during irritation or inflammation of gastrointestinal tract. Superior and inferior salivary nuclei. Salivary nuclei control the secretion of the saliva. Now, the cranial nerve nuclei. The nuclei of 12th, 11th, 10th and some nuclei of 8th and 5th cranial nerves are located in the medulla oblongata. 12th cranial hypoglossal nerve controls the movements of tongue. 11th cranial accessory nerve controls the movements of shoulder, and 10th cranial, that is vagus nerve, controls almost all the vital functions in the body, namely cardiovascular system, respiratory system, GI system, etc. 8th cranial nerve, the cochlear division of this nerve, which has the relay in the medulla oblongata, is concerned with the auditory functions. Now the vestibular nuclei. Vestibular nuclei contain the second order neurons of vestibular nerve. There are 4 vestibular nuclei situated in the rostral part of medulla and caudal part of pons, namely superior, medial, lateral and inferior vestibular nuclei. Medial and inferior vestibular nuclei extend into medulla. Now we will consider the pons, which forms a bridge between medulla and midbrain. Axons of pontine nuclei join to form the middle cerebellar peduncle or the brachium pontis. Pons forms the pathway that connects the cerebellum with the cerebral cortex. Pyramidal tracts pass through the pons. Now, medial lemniscus is joined by the fibers of 10th, 9th, 7th and 5th cranial nerves in the pons. Nuclei of 8th, 7th, 6th and 5th cranial nerves are located in the pons. Now, pons contains the pneumotaxic and apneustic centers for regulation of respiration. And it also contains the vestibular nuclei. So now we will learn the midbrain. Midbrain lies between pons and diencephalon. It consists of 2 parts, tectum and cerebral peduncles. Now, tectum is formed by 2 structures, superior colliculus and inferior colliculus. Superior colliculus. It is a small structure and is an important center for reflexes. through tactospinal tract, superior colliculus controls the movements of the eyes, head, trunk and limbs in response to visual impulses. Efferent fibers from superior colliculus going to the nucleus of third cranial, that is oculomotor nerve, cause constriction of pupil during light reflex. Thus it forms the center for light reflex. Superior colliculus also receives efferents from the optic tract, which helps in the integration of optical and postural reflexes. The inferior colliculus. Inferior colliculus consists of single layer of neurons to which the lateral lemniscus auditory fibers synapses. Inferior colliculus is the center for auditory reflexes. Stimulation of this also produces reflex vocalization. Now the cerebral peduncle. Cerebral peduncle include basis pedunculi, substantia nigra, tegmentum, which includes the red nucleus. Now, basis pedunculus. Basis pedunculus consists of pyramidal tract fibers in the middle, temporopontine fibers laterally, and frontopontine fibers medially. The substantia nigra. Substantia nigra is situated below the red nucleus. Substantia nigra is considered as one of the components of basal ganglia. Tegmentum. Tegmentum lies dorsal to substantia nigra and is actually the upward continuation of the reticular formation in pons. Tegmentum comprises 3 decussation and red nucleus. The red nucleus. Red nucleus is a large oval or round mass of grey matter extending between the superior colliculus and hypothalamus. So these are afferent and efferent connections of it. Now functions of red nucleus. Red nucleus control the muscle tone. It controls the complex muscular movements. It controls the writing reflex. It controls the movements of eyeball and controls the skilled movements